Ivanti improves your IT service delivery and asset management by providing proactive support through our Ivanti Neuron self-healing capabilities, which provides automated actions and an ambient and interactive proactive experience. We enable your IT service delivery team to resolve more issues on the first call through effective diagnosis with automated actions which can be driven through self-help or via delivered recommendations. Ivanti enables you to leverage your asset information for more savings and productivity with comprehensive asset visibility, the ability to understand IT and non-IT assets, reconcile and normalize your discovery data sources, and optimize software spend across on-premise and subscription, and have an efficient full asset lifecycle experience from request to disposal. At Ivanti, we believe the employee experience is vital and want the employee to interact their way through a self-service portal on your desktop or mobile device, through our automated interactive proactive support, our Ivanti chat, or the more traditional techniques such as email. And in this work from everywhere workplace, ensuring that you know all your devices and understanding if they're correctly and fully secured and patched is vital to the security of your organization. Improving your IT service delivery and asset management will significantly increase your ability to resolve issues before they are reported, find more assets, reduce outages, have a more secure environment, and improve your employee experience.